74,229 visitors and $833.83. That's the amount of free traffic and ad revenue that we've generated in just the last few days simply by publishing and ranking our videos on multiple video sharing websites. Now, I bet you already know that videos are the fastest way to generate free traffic and get multiple page one rankings on Google. I mean, think about it. There are over 22 billion video views every single day, and 75% of the people online are watching videos, and you're watching a video right now. Well, creating and publishing videos for your marketing is the fastest way to get traffic and get multiple page one rankings. And I'm sure you're already creating some amazing marketing videos with all those video creation apps available out there, right? But how exactly are you really marketing your videos? How exactly are you getting more viewers to your videos? And how exactly are you reaching bigger, broader audiences and generating traffic and rankings from your videos? You see, if you're creating videos and simply publishing them on your websites or on YouTube, you're not going to go too far. By only publishing your videos on one or two video sharing sites, you're missing out on a massive amount of traffic from other websites. You need your videos to be where the traffic is. So how do you reach more audience and publish your fresh new videos to multiple video sharing sites and get them kick-started with traffic and rankings? Well, it is simple. You create multiple accounts on all video sharing websites. Then you manually log in everywhere and upload your videos. Then write unique and engaging titles and descriptions of each upload. Then share those published videos with your followers to give them that initial boost. But wait, I know what you're thinking. Yeah, that's difficult, and it takes a lot of time if you want to publish hundreds of your videos online. Well, not anymore. Introducing Syvid. It's your new video syndication and publishing Swiss Army knife that can finally help you turn all your videos into traffic-getting, lead-generating, sales-making machines within minutes. You see, with Syvid, you'll be actually able to automatically upload all your videos to 8 different traffic-packed video sharing websites with unique titles and descriptions. And once that is done, Syvid will help you automatically share those very published videos to 15 different social media websites and give your videos that initial boost to start getting ranked and bringing in traffic to your websites. Not only that, today with Syvid, you get the agency license and can instantly start making money by offering video publishing and syndication services to your clients. That is crucial, and it can't get any better than that. Let me show you how Syvid works. Syvid is fairly easy to use and very straightforward as an app. We've built it in a way that anyone can use without any technical knowledge. Now, once you log into your Syvid dashboard, you'll be able to see all the videos that you've published, all the campaigns you've created, all the accounts you've connected to, and other stats. And to publish a video to 8 different video sharing websites, you just click on the Your Campaign option and click Create a Campaign. Now, here you can enter a campaign name and description and select the video accounts that you wish to publish your videos on. Syvid uploads to 8 different video sharing websites. You can connect multiple accounts of these video sharing sites and upload there. That's right, multiple. That means that you could upload to hundreds of different accounts in one go. And once you've selected your video accounts, add your video title, description, and keywords. If you want to have unique titles and descriptions for each upload, you can add spin text as well. You can also check your description's keyword density for video ranking optimization. Now, then click Choose File and select your video that you wish to upload. Now you just click Create to immediately start uploading videos to all the select sites or schedule the campaign to be at a specific time. It's easy, right? Now, once you've published your videos, you can also share them to 15 different social media sites as well. And to do that, you click on the View Campaign button and scroll down. You see a list of all the videos where they have been uploaded. Click Sharing button right next to any video, select the sharing accounts, enter details, and click that Share button. Syvid will now go and share your video links and message to 15 different social media websites within minutes. See how easy and fast that was? You can now have your videos published on 8 different traffic-packed video sharing sites, reaching out to a bigger audience and getting you multiple page 1 rankings on Google on those video sharing websites. There's no tool out there that helps you do this and also makes it so much easier and automated. All you have to do is simply select the video, select the websites you want to publish to, and sit back and watch the traffic and rankings roll in. And the cool part is Sitevid comes with agency and commercial usage license as well. And this means you can instantly start selling video syndication and publishing services for your clients, for your Fiverr gigs, and start making money with this. Just one sale will cover your investment and add in some profits as well. Just one. Does it get any better than this? Actually, it does. With Sitevid, there's no monthly fee. You heard me right. No watermarks, no limited rights, no catch. In 2017 and 18, video content is the cornerstone of all internet traffic. And if you're not publishing on multiple platforms and reaching out to a bigger audience, you're getting left behind. You already know how important video is to keep up with the competition, to stand out from the pack, to reach multiple page 1 spots on Google, to win trust, to engage your audience, and to tap into mountains of 22 billion video views of traffic waiting for you. Forget wasting hours uploading videos to multiple video sharing websites manually and spending another hour posting the link to all your social media accounts. That just won't do. Now you can quickly syndicate and share hundreds of videos across all your accounts in just seconds. No more tedious guest posting or blogging. No more cash-draining advertising. No more slaving over SEO or begging for backlinks. And no more CD networking. Just hit the button to upload your video, click sync, and boom, your video is sprayed across the web in seconds, giving you instant exposure on 8 major video sharing sites and 15 traffic-packed social media channels, bringing you a stream of perpetual free traffic and multiple page 1 rankings on Google. And that's just one video. Thanks to Sitevid's lightning-fast syndication technology, you can upload, syndicate, and share hundreds of videos per hour, day, or week. Can you imagine the kind of traffic you could be getting from 10, 15, or even 20 videos uploaded to Bazaar, WordPress, Tumblr, Vimeo, Dailymotion, YouTube, Facebook, and Blogger? What about 50, 70, or 100 videos? We're talking about thousands of free visitors, all watching your videos, then pouring into your landing pages and offers, building your list, clicking your affiliate links, buying your products. Simply log into Sitevid's web dashboard and start uploading and sharing videos instantly. Once you get started, we guarantee you'll be shocked at just how much money a few extra videos can stuff in your pocket each day. And the best part, with zero advertising and remarketing costs for your videos, it's the smart choice to start getting results. And on top of all that, you're fully covered by our 14-day video domination guarantee. We want you to use Sitevid right now in the next 5 minutes and see how quick and easy you can get started getting free traffic to your videos. See how much money you'll save on freelancers. See how many hours you'll be saving on manually uploading and sharing the videos by hand. Upload your first video in the next few minutes, and we guarantee if Sitevid doesn't help boost your video's exposure, its traffic, its sales within 14 days or sooner, you won't pay a single dime. Plus, with the agency license, you'll become a video marketing rock star and get paid big bucks for hitting a few buttons each day. Now, I'm truly convinced that you'll love how easy Sitevid is to get traffic and make money. So what are you waiting for? Hit the order button below and secure your copy of Sitevid with agency license included right here with our exclusive discount offer. This exclusive launch time discount is only available for the next few hours.